Best Tech of 2025? This video reveals the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. We've reviewed hundreds of products, and these are the game changers. Want to get your hands on these must-have gadgets early? Check the links in the description below for the best deals. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2. This smartwatch isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution, with groundbreaking health tracking and unbelievable durability. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Experience the future of mobile with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's stunning display and unmatched performance. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM6 Headphones. Immerse yourself in pure audio bliss with these noise-canceling headphones, perfect for music lovers and podcast enthusiasts. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with this compact yet powerful drone. Number 5. Google Pixel Fold. Folding phones are here to stay, and the Google Pixel Fold sets a new standard for innovation. From smartwatches to smartphones and beyond, these are the best tech gadgets of 2025. Don't miss out. Click the links below to learn more and grab yours today.